Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm here at my Willow property, and I just met with the guy from the local electric company. And one of the things we were talking about, well, I guess the primary thing we were talking about is how best to get electric over to my property. And I talked about some of the things I want to do with this property, and he gave me a couple ideas. And I think the best one is we're going to go from that telephone pole to a new primary pole here, and then we're going to go with a primary pole about halfway back to the build site. And then I'll take my electric from that point. For them, on their piece, that's going to be a little bit more expensive. However, I'm going to be saving on my piece, which is running from that pole back to the house with my own electric. So I think that's the game plan. He's going to type up a couple quotes with the different options that we talked about and get them over to me, and I'll let you know when I get those. Just look at all this snow out here. Well, thanks everyone, and I'll talk to you guys next time.